Once you have IntelliJ installed, what I want you to do is to create a new project. And this will bring this page in here. So you can see we can select new project, empty project, Maven, JavaFX, so on and so forth. So what I want you to do is let's create a new project, and the name in here, I'm going to name it as Java, and the location will be under basically the root of the user, and then ID projects, and then the project will be created / Java after the ID projects folder. Now for the language, select Java, build system, select IntelliJ for now. So later we'll learn about Maven. Then for JDK in here, so 17 as I speak is the long-term support. So just select it. And if it's not available for you, just basically click on download. And here you can select 17. And then the vendor, so if you are on M1s, just select the Arch64. So on my case, this is the one I installed. So Eclipse, Temurin, and then this one, right? So adopt OpenJDK. So if you're not, just basically select this one in here. If you're on Intel or AMD, just select this one here. Otherwise, this one. But regardless, I want you to select Eclipse Temurin. Now, these are just different vendors for Java, and it doesn't really matter which one you choose. Everything will work the same, but just follow along with the exact same settings that I have. So once you have it, then I think you just say download, and then you should have the JDK available and selected. And what I want you to do is tick add sample code. And then advanced settings, just leave it as is. Then say create. And this basically creates the project for us. There we go. And we have this main class, which is given for us. And we'll talk more about this in a second. But basically in here, if you don't see these tabs, so it's because you need to click on this icon in here. So you can see I click on it again, and then it brings the project, structure, bookmark, version control, to-do, terminal, services, so on and so forth. So you might not even see GitHub Copilot because this is an extension that I installed, and you learn more about extensions and whatnot on the IntelliJ course. So this is basically the UI, and what I want to do is, so let's basically so Java, idea. So this is XML configuration for IntelliJ, so you don't have to worry about it. And then src main. So here, this is the main code that we have, and this is this .java class. So what I want you to do is, so let's just right click, new, and then package. So here, let's just say com.amigos code. So literally just say Amigos code if you want to follow along with all the exercises and examples, or if you want, just change this to your name or domain. So com dot, and then maybe John Tech, or maybe Ali Code, or whatever domain that you have, right? It could even be your own name. So for me, it will be Amigos code. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this class inside of this package. So just say refactor, and now if you notice, we have package com.amigos code at the very top. Now the reason why I'm doing this right now is because when I recorded the initial video, there was an update, so it meant that you couldn't really select the package option at the very start. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And this is actually addressing a question from one of you guys. So this is pretty much it. Don't worry about packages. So the package that we created, this is just a folder really that allows us to organize some code. We will learn about packages and everything that you need to know. So for now, I just wanted you to have a new package and then put the main class inside, because this is how all the examples moving forward will be. So we have the main package in here, and also is the best practice. Cool. If you managed to get this far, well done. If you have any questions, please do let us know.